Naduduwag ka ba? Maraming mga bagay sa buhay na nakakatakot talaga. To the point na nawawalan tayo ng confidence or we doubt ourselves so much. Naduduwag tayo. In English, it's called cowardice. I don't want to imply that you should be reckless. Iba yung bravery and courage compared to recklessness. Sinasabi ko, there are things that we are called to do, especially called by God, na nakakatakot. Pero if it has something to do with your role in life, like being a parent or being a good son or daughter, we need to muster courage. Courage in terms of stepping up in life or going into things na will bring us out of our comfort zones or sometimes make life-changing decisions. One of the biggest reasons bakit naduduwag tayo, it's because we've taken God out of the equation. Hindi natin sinasali ang Diyos sa ating mga plano. The best way to be brave and be courageous is to have God on your side. And God is always on our side, right? Sabi nga ng Diyos kay Joshua, be determined, be courageous. And it's the same thing with us. Sinasabi din niya sa'yo, be determined, be courageous. Because you're doing it for love. Because you're doing it for your family. And because God wants you to be successful and happy in this life. Kailangan na maging faithful tayo. Kahit minsan nagkakamali or pumapalpak. The bravest thing to do in these situations is to get back up and continue building our lives according to God's will.